right, hello South Cardinals. Welcome to Wednesday Wellness for May. As you know, I'm Mrs. McMains.
I'm Mrs. Kuzmanoff, and I'm the tech coach here at South.
I'm Mr. Elper. I teach 7th grade health and 6th and 8th grade PE.
Right, so our Wednesday Wellness tool for May, I was thinking of things to start with them. May mantra or calming mantras. This is the visual that you'll see in your classrooms and in the hall and things like that. And so a mantra is a word that maybe some of you have heard of and maybe you haven't. Mrs. Kuzmanoff, do you know what a mantra is?
I do. A mantra is kind of a positive saying that you can use when you're feeling stressed or anxious. It helps you relax and focus.
Yeah, awesome. And then it's often used, traditionally used in yoga. Have you ever done a yoga practice or used a mantra in yoga?
Yes, I have. I'm told that I look the type. Sometimes you are asked to repeat different phrases to help the mind and the body relax.
Okay, so I haven't done yoga and I was curious, Mr. Alper, have you done much yoga?
I have done yoga. I don't practice it regularly, but we do it in PE. It is a fun lesson. It's a good, worthwhile activity to do for kids and adults.
Can you think of a use, I guess, for mantras if you're not somebody who practices yoga? Is there anything else it might help with?
Sure, in sports, before a free throw or an at-bat in baseball or in volleyball if you're going to serve, something to get ready before you are prepared to play, something to get your mind right.
Yeah, and I was thinking of Anastasia's coming up soon, so before people take the stage, if they're feeling nervous, or in the classroom, like a test or a quiz or something, anytime you need to kind of focus your mind and bring a little bit of relaxation, you can use this. So we're gonna practice it for you. We're gonna do one. So the first thing you're gonna do, I give suggestions for mantras, but if you have one you like, then use the one you like. So when I look at these, the one that I kind of like is I'm calm and ready. That's one that I like to say. Which one do you like?
I like all of these. I think they're really good, but I actually have a favorite that is you can do hard things, or we're good at doing hard things. I learned it from a former student and their parent.
Okay, so that's yours.
So that's mine.
Okay, Mr. Alper, do you have one?
Yeah, I really like the one that says I'm focused, because in sports you focus on the basics, the things you can't control. So I think focusing on a thing you can do is a great way to start that.
Okay, so this is what we're gonna do for this one. We're gonna take a slow, deep breath in, and then as you exhale, the key is you wanna exhale slowly. And as you exhale slowly, you're just gonna think your mantra kind of over and over on a loop in your head. So I'm gonna think I'm calm and ready. Mrs. Kuzmanoff is gonna think I can do hard things, and Mr. Alper is gonna think I'm focused. Okay, so this is how it goes, and that's all. So ready, we'll go. Don't even know we're doing it because we're repeating our mantras in our head. So the idea is that you can do that in class before something, or on stage or in sports, and nobody has to know you're doing it. So give calming mantras a try for May, and we'll see you later. Thanks, Cardinals.
Thanks, guys.